Good.
All right, it is Saturday morning. We're at Bayview, and it's just a few days for Thanksgiving. So this could be a happy Thanksgiving episode of Dogs Catching Treats in SloMo. You ready? Oh, come on. Get down. Sit. Ready? But you gotta sit first. Here you go. Sit. Sit. Oh, sit. Okay, you ready? You almost took my eye out with that last. Get the results back. So. All right, sit. Not cough or gag. Sit. There you go. Okay, buddy. What you gotta do? Oh, what you gotta do? Would it be sit? Oh, but Dad, you can't wipe alone. Oh no!
Would you like to?
For sit.
Sit.
Sit. He'll be right back. Get you over this Dad's missing morning thing. Oh, oh, oh. Hey. Got one more left in crumbs after this one. What's this? Here you go.
One more treat.
After this got crumbs. Okay.